Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to the File 3D Modeler. This is a new series coming up and this is the first video. In this video we will make a military vehicle. First one is the hammer and then I will grab in the reference image and then align them according to the size like side, front and top. Front and back, yes, and top. After setting every side, then we can move on to the modeling part. I added a cube, actually I can delete the cube. Use it as our base mesh to create this hammer. Okay, now I'll complete set everything like where they should be. Okay. Now let's model our hammer. Let's use I am in a wireframe mode and now I have to set the mesh according to the grab the cube up a little bit, then in the edit mode, first set from the front view, set auto mirror on, then it will be automatically mirrored on the X. Front side we are all set, and now set from the back and from the side set it from side. Add some loop cut in the middle and then set here and then hold control to align the vertices according to grid. Okay, like this, and do the same thing to the front. Then make a basic shape and then set the vertices. It's not compulsory to set everything according to grid. Only we need the base mesh. Then we will set the shape later on. This shape is looking good. Now we have to add some circle. There will be our tire. We have to I will make the tag first, then we will complete that after we model the tag. Circle we don't need 20 segments. This will be a nice looking tag. Then fill the gap on both sides, mirror it, and rotate the body. Hide the reference images for now. They are like 20 minutes. And then we have to model the tag, level the side, like this, add some segments, some front view, yes, make them like this. Now insert some faces, move them there so it will invert like that, and then select some, scale it and shape the work. Like this, tire is looking good. Okay, now select the middle face, the only side face only. Yes, invert it, extrude it outward, and then this will be the main way of the tire. Extrude it inward and then extrude it outward like so. Level the gas. Okay. Now duplicate this face, only one face, and add some bolts by duplicating it and continue to surface. Then set the origin to the selected object like this type, and then use the spin tool, make the segment to 8 or 10. I will use the 10 and look good. Now select everything and select the middle vertices and this out. Now extrude them outward, insert them and extrude it again. Both are done. Now we can scale them. Now we're gonna move on to the body part. The body, yes. Set the shape according to where it looks good. Yes. And now we have to add details and give it editing. We can use the knife tool for adding further details. Yes. After adding some minor details and give it some completeness is a good way to create such cars and adding details to it to any car. Okay, now move on to the tires and then now go to make the tire tread. Duplicate the faces from the tire basement and some loop cut, multiple loop cuts, then clear them individually. Okay, so this is the basic base shape of head. And delete the faces we don't want and then extrude everything and give it a gap. Okay, extrude it and give it some thickness. Now one thing we need is a spray pattern for it. When we spin it, then it will look good. Okay, lay aside these pieces and then move them on the edge, just like that, and then duplicate it to the other side. Okay, select everything, then spin it to the whole tire as the pattern completes and fits the gap. Like this is looking good. Now join them to the tire. One piece. Now we have to fill the whole car from the bottom as well. Extrude it from the bottom and then fill it and turn on flipping to join it to the x-axis and to the middle of the body. Select the tube and extrude it on the x-axis. Then turn flipping on and move them on the x. Now fill the gaps from front side by keeping the geometry clean. Okay, it's looking good. Now maintain the shape from the side view and X-ray mode, just like this. And then fill the gap by extruding it inward. Fill the tire gap like that. Yes, and then fill it like all the way inward. And X0 or correct topology. Okay. Now do the same thing to the back as well. Add the blue cut and then fill them one by one. just like this as x and 0 and now select the front side as well, and then keep them equal aspect ratio. Yeah, as x and 0 as median point and move them just a little to the side according to where our tires are. Now we can duplicate the tires and move them to the back. But first make the tie rod to fill the gap from the front. Move the faces of the body just a little down to give it some completeness, like that. Now we have to move this just a little forward if it looks good, otherwise no. Now duplicate this face, make the front bumper like that. Scale this face by moving it inward, scale it inward, extrude it inward, and then move it up like that, just like that. Now we are getting some completeness from the front. Yes. Now merge these vertices at the then select the black, insert the faces inward like that. Now shade auto smooth it. For now, shade static and add details to it by extruding some vertices and sliding them. And extrude the windows inward. Now move the map face down. Like that. Now we have to add more details to it by extruding and adding some details to it manually. Now extrude the face. We have to extrude it. Just add some loopers with these two faces. Level them with major segments. Select all, insert and extrude it inward. This and this looking much better. So do the same thing from the back. First we have to make the side edge. Select the edge and extrude it, make it like a mirror. Omega and join it vertical by duplicating the face and extruding it inward. Just like that. Look from front view and see if it looks good. Remember to save your work as you do something and anything you do, and save your work for later progress. Okay, now save the work again. Now we have to add some details to the back side as well. Like this face, insert this and this. Okay, we can make another light from front, but do that if it looks good. Now shade auto smooth and see everything looks good. Just like I said, insert this face, then extrude it backward, then insert it inward. Now this gives some details to it and it's looking great. Remember to keep the topology clean and correct. Okay, the next thing is we have to texture it, add a material, use texture, and then add a same color palette, or we can use another with the colors. it from hue projection, and then hue projection gives a nice editing layout of our base mesh, and then we can select it and select the color we want. Select the faces in the mesh. We can grab the mesh in the UV editor and place it in the color we want. Select the faces and control plus, and then we can select the mesh to move on to the color we want. We can do that with the wall vehicle where we want the color. I will do this for the whole party and the entire episode. I have an idea about the image texturing. I have another image like that, and now add an image texture with the same material. Add a color ramp in the same thing. The colors we want, the stuff with it. I want it to be a little rusty and dirty from the side, like this, and I added a color to that is this. And then duplicate the material, add the same color palette we used before. We can select the part and duplicate the same material and assign it like a little different. We can color some parts darker with the color palette, like this front side, headlights and windows and everywhere else. Just like this, and use color palette for this. Select them all and move them to the black. Select the headlights and color the black as well. Highlight headlights like this. Give a bright yellow color. This is the final result, and allow.